we are driving home from Galveston, Texas, and this is Streetman, Texas, right?
Yeah.
And we are here at a Valero gas station, and there are kittens and cats everywhere, so I'm going to go ahead. If you want to come and feed these, they have been eating out of trash cans, so I'm going to go ahead and video some of them. Okay, so over here, we have some. See them? Those are kittens. And then there's one back there. And there's one over here. And then there's one underneath that car. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, there are a ton of cats here. If you can come here and save these little babies, it would mean the world to all of these cats over here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to come to Streetman, Texas, the Valero. And yeah, all these cats will be here. You can maybe even take one home yourself. Bye! These ones.
Give this one to that guy. This cat right here is super stinky. Feel bad. Just can you dump it out?